Newt, a tiny newt with a big heart, lived in the cool, dark pond at the bottom of Mr. Johnson's garden. Every day, Newt would venture out to explore the world above the water. One sunny afternoon, Newt decided to climb the tallest tree in Mr. Johnson's garden. He had heard the birds singing from the top and wanted to join them. So, he took a deep breath and began his climb. As he ascended, Newt came across many interesting things. He found a ladybug hiding in a crack, a caterpillar munching on a leaf, and even a squirrel who was curious about the small, green creature. But the climb was tough, and Newt grew tired. He took a rest and looked around. From his vantage point, he could see the entire garden. The flowers looked like a colorful carpet, and the birds were singing a beautiful song. Newt felt a sense of peace and happiness. He realized that he didn't need to climb the tallest tree to be happy. He was happy just being himself and exploring the world around him. With a newfound sense of joy, Newt continued his climb. Soon, he reached the top of the tree. There, he found a group of birds eager to share their song with him. Newt sang along, feeling more joyful than ever before. As the sun began to set, Newt decided it was time to return home. He climbed down the tree, feeling a sense of accomplishment. When he reached the pond, he found his friends waiting for him. They had missed him and were eager to hear about his adventure. Newt shared his story with his friends, and they were amazed. They learned that being brave wasn't just about doing something big or dangerous, but about trying new things and facing challenges with courage. From that day forward, Newt became known as Newt the Brave. He continued to explore the world around him, always learning and growing. And every night, as he lay in his pond, he would dream of the adventures that awaited him tomorrow. The end.